Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alex with Property Buyer Connect, and today we're going to do a property feature, and we're going to show you a property that we recently purchased that has now been renovated and is currently being rented out. And this particular property is in West Philadelphia. It's on Peach Street, and we bought this from a seller, and we actually have done 3 transactions with the same seller. So they trusted us enough to handle multiple transactions with them, which is great. And so I just wanted to sort of show you the start to finish process here and kind of what happens. So here I'm going to pull up some pictures of sort of before anything happened, the property we purchased as is, and just kind of go through here. As you could see, as you'll see in a moment, the property is in not the best of shape. And I'll just scroll through some of the pictures here. It was vacant when we purchased it, and it had some trees in the background, or in the backyard rather. We're gonna get to that. And yeah, it's it was quite a project, but as you could see, it just kind of was abandoned, sitting there. It wasn't doing anyone else good because it couldn't really be rented out in its current condition. The seller didn't want to deal with it, so we purchased it from the seller, and we were able to renovate it and make it look like new. And now someone can happily rent it out, is happily renting it out right now. And so these are the before pictures. Let me bring you some after pictures here. All right, so this is the after photo. So it got a nice paint job on the outside. Inside we put in a luxury vinyl flooring, painted everything. Everything's pretty much brand new. Central air. Check out this kitchen, a nice kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, shaker cabinets. We got a nice new railing. Tile floor in the bathroom. So this came out really nice. 2-bed, 1-bath with laundry. The basement we kind of just kept. We cleaned it up. We kept unfinished. And yeah, I'm really happy with how this property turned out. And it's currently being rented to someone. And yeah, so that's sort of the process from start to finish. So we basically took a property that was in disrepair that the seller didn't want, and we turned it into a great rental property. So another successful transaction here at Property Buyer Connect, and be sure to stay tuned and check out the channel for more featured properties.